doing development work in Microsoft Dynamics AX, and encountered XRS files in the application directory? These are cross-reference index files used by the AX development environment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these files function and how to work with them. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful XRS file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. An XRS file is a cross-reference data file used by Microsoft Dynamics AX, an enterprise resource planning (ERP) software. It stores information about how different application objects, such as tables and code, are used throughout the system, helping developers analyze dependencies and perform impact analysis. This is a proprietary binary file that acts as an index or database. It's designed for fast lookups and queries by the Dynamics AX development environment. The binary structure allows for compact storage and efficient retrieval of vast amounts of relational metadata, which is critical for managing a complex ERP system. Commonly, XRS files use Microsoft Dynamics AX developed by Microsoft Corporation. Only a dedicated file viewer can bypass the simple header errors in this format. Windows offers little insight into index contents, so reviewing them requires compatible software. Open the context menu by right-clicking the XRS file and selecting Open With. Start your test with Microsoft Dynamics AX if it shows up. If not, don't hesitate to try several other programs on your list. If your XRS file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since this XRS is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry, we'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, using the AX cross-reference tool. Open Microsoft Dynamics AX Client and access the cross-reference tool from the Tools menu or AOT. The tool uses XRS files to display where objects are referenced throughout the application. You typically don't open XRS files directly, but query them through the AX development environment interface. Next, regenerating cross-references. If XRS files become corrupted or out of date, regenerate them through the AX client using Tools, then Development Tools, then Cross-Reference, then Update. This process scans all application objects and rebuilds the XRS index files. The operation can take several hours on large installations, so schedule it during off hours. Finally, managing XRS files. XRS files are stored in the AX application directory and managed automatically by the system. Avoid manually editing or deleting them, as this can break cross-reference functionality. If files are missing, the AX client will offer to regenerate them on next startup or through the Development Tools menu. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.